wait. I'm not yet. So where's my two pilots? Pilot. What color were you?
Red.
Red as well. So my two pilots, my two gunners, and my two engineers. Alright, head on down. Okay.
Welcome. Right this way, my friends. Come closer.
Oh.
You're back. You're braver than I thought. Some Mandalorian will brief you on your mission.
Listen up, crew. Our bounties are 2 Imperial officers and a pirate. Our goal is to capture them and collect any crates they're transporting. Thanks to Hondo's intel, we know they're on Tatooine.
Let's go.
For your safety, remain seated and supervise young ones.
Seatbelts off to the outside edge, me, please.
Time is money.
There you are. Good luck, have fun, don't crash.
Yeah, I'm gonna be cool.
Okay, my friends, chase down those bounties. Engineers, grab crates from their ships. I can sell the crates, and we can split the profits. Go now, and rendezvous with the Mandalorian on Tatooine. Right, pilot. Make the jump to hyperspace. And
Oh my god!
This is the ship Hondo sends. Let's see what it can do. Hondo has crates. Nice work on the tractor beam. Gunners, take out those scouts. Good work, gunners. Practice. You're ready. There's our bounties. Stay hidden while I think of a plan. Grogu, don't touch those buttons. I said don't touch. Plan. Catch one bounty. They're splitting up. Chase them down. Hit the boosters.
Oh my god!
Don't lose sight of them. We need to know where they're headed. Left engineer, launch the homing beacons. Good work. We can only follow one. Bespin, Coruscant, or Endor. Right, engineer. Pick a destination. Fast. Endor? Let's see what we find. Grogu, buckle up. The Death Star. Our bounty's trying to hide. Pilots, head into the wreckage, but be on alert. It's okay, kid. You're safe with me. They clocked us. Left pilot, hit the boosters. Engineers, grab the crate with your tractor beam. Gunners, you're up. Stay on target. Watch out, you'll stall the ship. There's our bounty. Follow him. You're not gonna make it. Left pilot, hit the boosters. Nice run. Grogu, open the hatch. Retrieving the bounty. Now. Time to fly back to it. We're caught in a tractor beam. We have to get out of here. Gunners, release the torpedo. Now. Good shot. Let's head out the Make the jump to light speed. hiding with your friends.
Unloading crates now. Ah, respectable haul. Do the right buyer, we can fetch a very good price.
Good work, crew. Grogu and I will hand over the pirate to the New Republic when they arrive. Say goodbye.
Goodbye.
Not you, Hondo. The kid.
T, what's your accuracy? 30. You only killed 2 though. 37. But you only killed 2. I killed 4. T. Yeah, click the button. I did click it. What's your accuracy? Yes, I had 8 times targeting. I really carried.
All available techs, we have a Corellian freighter that needs immediate transport back to the maintenance bay. This thing has seen better days. Better fix all that before the Wookiee sees it.